Welcome my YouTube channel Dream Bike Hub, that is PCX 160. The PCX 160 delivers an improved driving performance on the strength of a new 157cc 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, 4-valve single overhead cam SOC S Plus engine. This gives riders like Requelman a strong performance at 11.8 kilowatts at 8,500 revolutions per minute on a remarkably efficient 45.1 kilometers per liter fuel consumption. What is the top speed of the PCX 160? Out of all the other automatic scooters in its class, the PCX 160 is the only one to offer an engine larger than 150cc. The 157cc liquid-cooled 80-degree single-cylinder 4-stroke engine is said to produce around 15.8 horsepower and only 11.1 pound-feet of torque with a top speed of 73 miles per hour. Does PCX have clutch? Standard Honda PCX 125cc's low-priced replacement for original clutch. The clutch is basically identical to the stock clutch, with 3 clutch shoes. It's tough and sturdy, with good quality clutch linings for excellent grip at all RPM. PCX 160 keyless, along with the essential safety add-on of dual-channel ABS. The Honda PCX 160 also strengthens its safety with keyless ignition, which is operated only with a remote key, thus making it a smart scooter for the modern generation. I hope this video more informative and helpful for you. Please press bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel and watching me.